See here, this is my Instagram account. How to create Instagram ads using for mobile version. Why? Because why you can specifically call mobile. Why? Because any Instagram account in your desktop is not valid for the paid ads. When Instagram will be not showing for any paid ads. So anything will be created by ads on only for Instagram mobile app. So when you open for mobile app, just open for any videos. Below showing for promote option, the specific promote by three things. Please note down. One is called profile ads, website ad, and your direct message ads. So after that, in the select for my website, they will show you. I'm click for edit in this. Here showing for n number of options will be there. Learn more, shop now, watch more, contact us, book now, sign up us. I'm clicking for sign up us. So I'm changing for name here. Wait for a second. So I'm adding for my website here. Why? Because this is my website. I'm increasing my website traffic. So in my website traffic, based on for contact us. After click contact us, that show for tick mark. So website is ready. Now after the click for tick mark, you can select your audience will be two types. Instagram target people similar to your followers. Second will be create your own. We'll check the create your own. Click it. Audience name, location, and interested age people. Select for interest. Write it for interest here. Writing here. Digital marketing and click. After that, select it. Now add your location only for Hyderabad, India. Done. So total how many people are there? 3,50,000 people will be in Hyderabad. After click for tick mark, audience name. This specific audience will be there. Add by the audience name. Digital. Select. Okay. So after the click for tick mark. Final, you're selecting for digital is your name. After select your final option. Or else, we don't go for manual. Simple click for automatic. Go with the tick mark here. Your Instagram budget will be select based on Facebook profile. Based on Facebook. So you can select your daily budget here. My daily budget only for 40 rupees. End with lakhs. Or I will show you for 40,000. So this will be here. Your duration only for 4 days, 3 days, 2 days, only for 1 day. How much your budget? 40 rupees. The reach will be 77 to 200 for rupees of 40 rupees. Is it clear? This is called promote your ads on your Instagram account. Click for next. Finally, start your budget, add your details, create your promotions only for 1 day. So just so ad will be started by your promotions. Is it clear? This is called promote your ads on your Instagram accounts. So any video, any audio, see this. They're showing for pending approval. Why? Because when accept is active mode, inactive mode. So how much you're spending the amount, we'll check by insight. 7 likes. This one. Is it clear? This is called create your ads using by Instagram mobile application. One is called desktop will be posting purpose. Promotion will be only for mobile apps.